Hey, so today we are going to have an understanding of the most underrated tool of Adobe Illustrator, and that is the crop tool. So first of all, we need to understand what is the significance of the crop tool and what we can do and how we can use it. So first of all, I have taken an example of a flyer. Okay, so you can see that the file size of this flyer is hardly 2.69 MB, right? This is just an example for the understanding, and you can incorporate. So let's choose this image and bring it in our Illustrator. Okay, send to back and adjust the image, right, like this. Okay, so as you can see that I have placed the image, and this region is outside the artboard, so we do not need to worry. But in some cases we have to use the clipping mask to clip the image. Like for example, we have to select it, okay, and select both and clipping. We have to clip mask in different cases, but we are not going to use it here. Okay, so once I save this file, okay, and refresh, so you can see that the file size has been increased from 2 or 3 MB to 126 MB. So basically this is a very large resolution image, so file size has been increased too much, but it greatly impacts the output of your file. Okay, let's suppose we just want to keep the faces of this couple. Oh, let's ungroup it. Okay, and this outer portion is of no use to us here because it is not a part of the artboard and it will not be the part of the printing area. So what we can do, just simply select this image, go to crop image, okay, and from here you can simply crop the unnecessary portion that is not required. Okay, as soon as you apply, you can see that the output is same, but what happens that when you save it, it will, let's refresh it, the file size has been decreased from 125 MB to just 45 MB. Okay, so that was just an example, because when you are dealing with multiple artboards and multiple images, so these small tips and tricks can greatly impact the workflow of your project, and you can speed up your project by just decreasing the file size. Okay.